Welcome to this luxury 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex with swimming pool, spacious compound, and a BQ. And the best part is it's in Independence Layout, the heart of Enugu. Let's go!
The person tell me say I go fall for a woman like you. I go say in papa, mama, brother, sister, thunder, fire, all of them. Because this kind thing where you the do. I been no say you go fit move me. She not only me but you like overdo. She sweet you as you turn me to mugu. That like the woman that I like. I feel no make everything alright. But if there's anything I can do, I sabi do I'm with my mind. All of me jaw, don't be shy. You know you sweet my antenna. You must meet my antenna, my antenna, my antenna. Now you gon'
This is your master's bedroom, very spacious. You can see this is the wardrobe, then your WC and bath. Then over here you have your shower and your sit out. So let me show you the BQ right away. You can see this backyard has space. You see overhead tank, then you see the BQ right there. So call me now to book for free inspection today.